Hello YouTubers, it's George Bailey himself, coming to you from beautiful Tybee Island, Georgia. I'm sure I'll get a better video of it later, but just enjoying the beautiful weather here. The pipe I'm smoking is a Ramses shape by Mario Grandi. The tobacco is Mac Baron Exotic, which is sort of a Virginia. It's a little more like an aromatic, but I don't know, sort of my neighborhood friendly kind of. Putting some burgers on the grill and enjoying the gorgeous weather. Very windy. We're right on the beach, and see if I can get some. It's a much better scene. Just beyond those pine trees is the beach. So just lovely. We're staying in a lovely home right on the water. Fantastic. Great week of vacation.